Hi, welcome back to my channel. I want to share my Lidl haul with you guys. This is Lidl right here. I picked up a whole bunch of items. I only spent $88. So we're going to start. First, I bought these pans for my husband. He likes to grill. These, I'm going to leave the prices down in the corner below, so you'll know the prices later. So I picked up some strawberries, yogurt for the kids, some honey mango and regular mango, some organic carrots, 2 packs of those, bananas, I picked up some English muffins, 2 loaves of bread, these are nectarines, and I also picked up some peaches right here. Oh no, these ones are nectarines, these ones are peaches. Picked up some organic grapes, in both green and in purple, or red grapes. Some popsicles, some 100% juice, that is fruit punch, 2 100% apple juice, and some cranberry pomegranate and cranberry raspberry. Some organic pears, organic diced tomatoes, some organic apples, some boil in a bag brown rice, 2 jars of organic roasted garlic spaghetti sauce, some organic raspberry jam, or they call it spread, but whatever. Some fruit and nut bars, butter, a whole bunch of Kool-Aid, a fruit and veggie smoothie blend, rice cakes for my daughter, cheese sticks, spaghetti noodles, organic milk, and a whole bunch of barbecue wings. These were buy one get one free. Like I said, the price is going to be down below. I almost forgot to show you guys these ones. These are chicken patties. These ones are chicken patties, and these ones are chicken nuggets. I bought 2 packs of those. So yeah, 1 pack of the chicken patties and 4 packs of the boneless chicken wings for the kids. I'm the only vegan in my house, so everybody else in my house does eat meat and milk and everything else. But yeah, this is basically a summer haul for the kids. Everything I purchased came up to $88.55, which I thought was a pretty awesome deal. Alright, now it's time to put this stuff away. Alright, here's the before of everything. I'm going to do a quick clean because I need to wash and put away all these fruits and vegetables that I just bought. My kids are back in town from Ohio. They were up there visiting my dad, so I need to get all of this cleaned, washed, chopped up, and everything like that. So yeah, let's get started. So these are the containers I'm going to be using to store. Right now I'm just chopping up some carrots. Alright, so here's all the fruit and vegetables I bought today. Well, I bought more, but I didn't cut up all of them and everything. But here are all the grapes that I purchased today. This is all of the grapes I purchased today. Put those in 2 containers. I line my bowls with, or my Tupperware with paper towel. I find that stuff lasts longer when you line it with paper towel. I don't know why, but it does. Here I have some honey mango, and this one is just regular mango. Carrots, a lot of strawberries. In this bowl I have pears, nectarines, peaches, apples, and I think that's all that's in this bowl. So yeah, took me about 30 to 45 minutes just to wash and chop everything up. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you like what you saw, give my video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below that and let me know that you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.